Welcome back in online class. We discuss two methods for solving linear differential equation of second order. Today to study the third method whose name is changing independent variable x to z. That is third method is changing independent variable x to z. This is the third method. Standard form is d2y upon dx2 plus p dy upon dx plus qy is equal to r. Equation number first. This is the standard form of second order linear equation of second order. Method. Changed equation is d2y dz2 plus p1 dy dz plus q1 y is equal to r1, equation 2, where p1 is equal to d2z upon dx2 plus p dz upon dx upon dz upon dx का होल स्क्वायर, q1 is equal to q upon dz upon dx का होल स्क्वायर, r1 is equal to r upon dz upon dx का होल स्क्वायर. Clear? Note. Such equations are solvable in which Q has squaring form in variable with constant or without constant. Such equations are solvable in which Q has squaring form in variable with constant or without constant. Now discuss the problem. Problem is solve d2 y upon dx2 minus 1 upon x dy upon dx plus 4x square y is equal to x की पावर 4. UPTU 2016. Answer. Compared by standard form, we get p is equal to minus 1 upon x, q equal to 4x square, r is equal to x की power 4. Change equation is d2y dz2 plus p1 dy dz plus q1y is equal to r1. This is equation first, this is equation second. Choosing z such that dz upon dx का whole square is equal to 4x square, that is dz upon dx is equal to 2x, d2z dx2 is equal to 2, integration of this z is equal to x square. where P1 is equal to d2z upon dx2 plus p dz upon dx upon dz upon dx का होल स्क्वायर, d2z upon dx2 2, dz upon dx minus 1 upon x, dz upon dx 2x, dz upon dx का होल स्क्वायर 4x स्क्वायर, दिस इज इक्वल टू 0, q1 इज इक्वल टू q अपॉन dz अपॉन dx का होल स्क्वायर, दिस इज इक्वल टू 1, r1 इज इक्वल टू r अपॉन dz अपॉन dx का होल स्क्वायर, वैल्यू ऑफ r इक्वल टू x की वैल्यू ऑफ r इज इक्वल टू कितना, x की पावर 4 और dz अपॉन ये 4x स्क्वायर that is x square by 4, this is equal to z by 4. इक्वेशन नंबर 2 में वैल्यू पुट करते हैं इसकी, तो क्या मिला d2 by dz2 वैल्यू ऑफ p1 is equal to 0, वैल्यू ऑफ q1 equal to z by 4. तो d square plus 1y this is equal to z by 4. 4cf d square plus 1 y is equal to 0, auxiliary equation m square plus 1 is equal to 0, that is m is equal to plus minus I. तो cf is equal to c1 cos z x square plus c2 sin z, that is x square, z equal to x square. Now pi is equal to z by 4 upon d square plus 1, this is equal to 1 plus d square whole power minus 1 z by 4, this is equal to z by 4. Complete solution y is equal to cf plus pi, that is c1 cos x square c2 sin x square plus z, that is x square by 4 is a complete solution. The problem is solve x d2y upon dx2 plus 4x square minus 1 dy dx plus 4x cube y equal to 2x cube. For standard equation we divide x, then we get d2y upon dx2 plus 4x minus 1 upon x dy dx plus 4x square y is equal to 2x square, equation number first. Compared with standard form, then we get value of p is equal to 4x minus 1 upon x, q equal to 4x square, r equal to 2x square. Choosing z such that z को इस प्रकार से चुनते हैं, किस प्रकार से कि dz dx का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4x स्क्वायर, that is dz upon dx is equal to 2x, d2z upon dx2 equal to 2 और z is equal to x square. That is change equation is d2y dz2 plus p1 dy dz plus q1 y is equal to r1, equation number 2. p1 is equal to d2z dx2 plus p dz dx upon dz dx का होल स्क्वायर, d2z upon dx2 equal to 2, value of p 4x minus 1 upon x और dz upon dx 2x upon 4x square, this is equal to 2. Now value of q 1, this is equal to q upon dz upon dx का whole square, that is 4x square upon 4x square, that is 1. Value of r1 r upon dz upon dx का whole square. Value of r 2x square 4x square, this is equal to 1 upon 2. From equation number 2, d2y dz2 plus 2 dy dz plus y is equal to 1 upon 2. So d square 2d plus 1 y is equal to 1 upon 2 for CF m plus 1 का whole square, this is equal to 0 minus 1 CF equal to C1 plus C2z e to the power minus kz, that is C1 plus C2 x square e की power minus x square. Now pi is equal to 1 upon 2 e to the power 0z upon d plus 1 का whole square. Putting d is equal to a is equal to 0 1 upon 2 e to the power 0z upon 0 plus 1 का whole square, that is 1 upon 2 value of pi. Now complete solution, y is equal to CF plus pi, that is y is equal to CF, value of CF C1, value of CF C1 plus C2 x square e to the power minus x square plus 1 upon 2. This is a complete solution. Now solve again problem. Problem is solve x to the power 6 d2y upon dx2 plus 3 x to the power 5 dy dx plus a square y upon is equal to 1 upon x square. For standard equation, x to the power 6 divide both sides, so d2y dx2 plus 3 upon x dy dx plus a square x to the power 6y is equal to x to the power 8. Equation number first. Compared by the standard form, then we get value of p is equal to 3 upon x, value of q is equal to a square upon x to the power 6, or value of r equal 1 upon x to the power 8. Choosing z such that dz upon dz का whole square equal to a square upon x to the power 6 dz upon dx equal to a upon x power 3 d2z upon dx2 minus के 3a upon x to the power 4. By integration z is equal to minus के a 2x square minus के a, ठीक है. Change equation is, now changed equation is d2y dz2 plus p1 dy dz plus q1 y equal to r1. Equation number second, where p1 is equal to d2z dx2 plus p dz dx upon dz dx का whole square. d2z upon dx2 is equal to minus के 3a upon x to the power 4, value of p 3 upon x, और value of dz upon dx a upon x to the power 3 upon a square x to the power 6, this is equal to 0. q1 is equal to q की वैल्यू क्या है, a square x to the power 6 और a square upon x to the power 6, this is equal to 1. Value of r1 is equal to r, that is 1 upon x to the power 8 और वैल्यू ऑफ dz upon dx का होल स्क्वायर a square x to the power 6 this is equal to 1 upon a square x square that is r1 is equal to माइनस के r1 की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई साहब वैल्यू ऑफ r1 माइनस 2z अपॉन a की पावर 3 putting the value of p1 q1 r1 in equation 2 we get t square plus 1 y is equal to minus k 2z upon a to the power 3 for cf auxiliary equation is m is equal to plus minus I that is cf is equal to c1 cos z value of z minus k upon 2x square plus c2 sin minus k a upon 2x square value of pi is equal to minus k 2z upon a to the power 3 d square plus 1 this is equal to 1 plus d square whole power minus 1 2z upon a की power this is equal to minus k 2z upon a cube this equal 1 upon a square x square now complete solution y is equal to cf plus pi that is y value of y cf c1 cos a upon 2x square plus c2 sin a upon 2x square plus 1 upon a square x square is a complete